So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the 404 page not found error in Hostinger. So the first thing you want to do is go to Hostinger right here and you can check on your domains. So from this, the domains page, once you get to your panel, you can click on this. You can see domain portfolio, get a new domain and your transfers. Now, if you open up a new tab and you put in your domain, so you want to check out your domain and your website, and make sure that you check on here first that you've typed it in correctly. So you might be surprised how many times it happens that you maybe misclick and put in a different key, and from there you get a text or get a notification that your page isn't found and that it's a 404 error. So just make sure first that that's clear. After that, I would suggest you try in incognito mode as well, since sometimes your extensions and your plugins through here, they may intervene with you getting to your website at the right time. So from here, just make sure that you have these and you can do your basic troubleshooting, and you can go to history and you can see there are some options on here, and you can clear your cache and your plugins and stuff like that, your permissions, since it's going to allow for your website to be available to be opened on here. So these are some of the things you need to keep in mind. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.